Okay, so now I'm going to show you setting up the electric. Patient already has 4 needles in. I used 4 body points just because I thought it would be easier to see visually on the video. I have my 2 POS devices on the 3D printed board. You could also have 2 Avasias on a 3D printed board. It's a different board designed specifically for the Avasia devices. Okay, so this keeps it organized and professional looking. And I unwind the first wire and I'm going to hook it up to spleen 6 and the lung meridian for BET. I usually tape these. I'm not going to do that just because it's just for demonstration. Then I'm going to hook up small intestine 16. This is a great treatment for earth and fire and autonomic nervous system regulation. Turning on my machines. And then I leave the room for 20 minutes. And then when I'm done, I walk back in. And you'll see how easy it is to leave your machines nice and organized. Just wind it and let the wire hang. And when you're done with the treatment, your cart's already set up and to go for your next patient. I just wheel it away, take out the needles, put them in the sharps container, treatment's done.